Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and fix Toon Blast from crashing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Toon Blast from crashing. So first of all, you can go and force close Toon Blast and reopen it. You can restart your phone or tablet. This clears temporary memory issues that can cause apps to crash. You can update Toon Blast from the App Store or Google Play. An outdated version can't have compatibility problems. You can update your phone software to the latest available iOS or Android version. Google specifically recommends checking both app and system updates when an Android app reportedly crashes. You can close background apps to free RAM, especially if you're using an older device. Check your storage to free up some space if your device is nearly full. On Android, you can clear Toon Blast cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Toon Blast, Storage, and clear cache there. You can always go and check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Toon Blast support notes that weak connections can cause parts of the game to have login or connection problems. You can reinstall Toon Blast if nothing else works, of course, but before uninstalling, make sure the game progress is synced. You can go to the top right corner, click on the gear icon, and save it with Facebook or Apple here. If it still crashes after installing, connect Toon Blast. Of course, contact the Toon Blast support to ask them about the problem. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.